Hi students, now we discuss about the formed elements or blood cells. Blood contains RBC, WBC and platelets. We completed red blood cells or erythrocytes or RBC. Now we discuss about the WBC, white blood cells or leukocytes. So WBC appears in white color due to absence of hemoglobin. Yeah, red blood cells appears red color due to presence of hemoglobin. Red blood cells contains hemoglobin which gives red color, but the white blood cell does not possess hemoglobin. Due to absence of hemoglobin, WBC appears in white color. WBC are nucleate, colorless, complete cells. So, white blood cells or WBC are nucleate, colorless, and complete. Here, RBC of the man is incomplete cells due to absence of nucleus and some other cell organelles. But white blood cells contains nucleus and cell organelles. So WBC are complete cells. Due to absence of hemoglobin, it appears white in color or colorless. Next, nucleus is present. WBC are spherical or irregular in shape. So the shape of the WBC is spherical or irregular shaped cells. So WBC are different types. Some of the WBC are spherical shape and some are irregular shape. So WBC are spherical or irregular in shape. Next, these are exhibits amoeboid movement from blood into extracellular areas by diaphysis. So generally WBC locates in blood. Some of the WBC passes from blood into tissues through membrane of blood vessel by amoeboid movement. This process is called diaphysis. So the movement of WBC from blood into tissues is called diaphysis. So diaphysis means the movement of WBC from blood into tissues through membrane of the blood vessel is called diaphysis. WBC are larger than RBC in size. So WBC are larger cells than RBC. Next, the total leukocytes count is 6,000 to 10,000 per cubic millimeter of blood. So, per cubic millimeter of blood contains 6,000 to 10,000. 6,000 to 10,000 WBC. So, per cubic millimeter of blood contains 6,000 to 10,000 WBC. The process of formation of WBC is called leukophoresis. Process or production of RBC is called erythropoiesis. Process or production of WBC is called leukophoresis. Leukophoresis. Leukopoiesis. Formation or production of WBC is called leukopoiesis. Slight increase in the WBC count is called leukocytosis. Leukocytosis. Slightly increase in the number of WBC is called leukocytosis. Slightly increase in the number of WBC is called leukocytosis. An abnormal increase in the number of WBC is called leukemia. Leukemia is a blood cancer. Leukemia is a blood cancer. So, an abnormal increase in the number of WBC is called leukemia. Leukemia indicated or causes blood cancer. Fall in WBC count is called leukocytopenia. Fall in WBC count is called, so decrease the number of WBC is called leukocytopenia. Leukocytopenia. So slightly increase in the number of WBC is called leukocytosis. An abnormal increase in the number of WBC is called leukemia. Leukemia is a blood cancer. Decrease the number of WBC is called leukocytopenia. Leukocytopenia. Next, fall of WBC count is called leukocytopenia. Next, WBC are of two main types. So, WBC divides into two types: granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes and agranulocytes. So WBC or white blood cells divides into two types: granulocytes and agranulocytes. I will explain the granulocytes and agranulocytes in the next class.